shitloads more coming. So why are we eating today? Probably can't eat me now. Tommy out! We want Tommy out! So why did he get nicked? He stood outside the court, reporting Muslim grooming gangs, even though the BBC had put the names and the information out of these very same people who he was reporting on. And when he was stood outside the court reporting on it, he just read the names of what had already been published by the BBC. So you'd think, if it's not alright for him to do it, it's not alright for them to do it, but hey, this is the fucked up world we live in, people. So while he's outside the court, talking to the police officers, and they're telling him, yeah, you're doing that wrong, it's fine, everything's fine. Then out the blue, after about an hour, fair enough, he might be saying the odd thing to him, maybe shouldn't have done, but they were saying it back, they were threatening him, they were death threatening him, and even that doesn't warrant what he got done for. So then they arrest him for suspicion of breach of the peace. And then within 5 hours, he's sentenced and he's locked up. He's not given his lawyer, he's given a lawyer that is shite, a contempt of court law, an absolute novice, and he was sentenced and put away. Now what the media is spinning is that the fact that it was contempt of court and all this sort of stuff that they say, that's not the case. He was arrested on suspicion of breach of the peace. When they got him in the courtroom, they then said it's contempt of court. Now the judge then said this has got nothing to do with the already bail condition that you had set. It has nothing to do with that. Even if you didn't have that, the judge said, I would have still given you this 30-month sentence. Now you can read that in the court transcripts, but the media isn't portraying it like that, and it's spinning like you did something wrong. If you know your lawful rebellion, or you just know your lawful statute rights, scratch that, lawful rights, not statutes, lawful rights. Lawful is above legal, above. That's the common law and the law of the land. And that's why I get away with so many little things I get away with, boys and girls, because I know that fucking law. Anywho, he's still in jail, wasn't given a fair trial, wasn't given judicial process, wasn't given his lawyer. It was a complete and utter shambles. And this is the response. You lock up 1 Tommy, 10 more rise up. You take 10 away, there's going to be a fucking 1,000 of us. I don't want war, I don't want fights, I don't want violence, I just want my England back. And history shows, you don't stand on your rights, scream and shout it, you don't get them. So get your backs up, boys and girls, get your passion up, get your fire up. Come and support our lad. Agree with him or not, it's right in what he says. You might think it's causing divisions and shit, but look at what he says, look at the facts, look at the figures. There is an agenda, it's written in law. The Barcelona Declaration from 1995 and the Marakesh Declaration, it says in there, if you read the acts, Google them and read them right now, prove me fucking wrong. Prove me wrong. And in 2010 they're going to open the floodgates and let all these immigrants start washing in. At the same time, we're going to start educating the school system differently and allow this multicultural thing to exist, all the while getting rid of churches and building more mosques. It's all written in the fucking Barcelona Declaration 1995. I am not crazy. The subject matter I talk about is fucking crazy. I am not crazy. We are one, people. We are one.